Hello everyone and again welcome. Today we are dive into the world of very beautiful magical bottle recycling world and we gives you the benefits and ideas focusing topic that connects creativity, sustainability and mindfulness. Bottle recycling and bottle crafts. Every year millions of plastic bottles and glass bottles end up in landfills, oceans, or scattered around our environment. But what if I told you that enough bottles you throw away could actually be the beginning of something new, a lamp, a planter, a storage container, or even beautiful piece of art? Not only does this reduce waste, but it also brings surprising mental health benefits through the act of crafting. Let's start with the problem. Plastic bottles take hundreds of years to decompose. A single water bottle you throw away today might still exist for generations to come. Glass bottles, although recyclable, but often end up in the wrong place and contribute by pollution. When bottles are not recycled, they harm wildlife, pollute our oceans, and waste valuable resources. Recycling is one solution, but it requires energy and large scale system. That's where Bottlecraft step in, a simple personal way to reduce waste and make a difference. Recycling a bottle is more than just tossing it into a blue bin. Every recycled bottle saves raw materials, reduces can emissions, and conserves energy. For example, recycling one glass bottle saves enough energy to power a 100-watt light bulb for 4 hours. But beyond industrial recycling, upcycling bottle into crafts gives them a second life in your own hands. Instead of seeing bottle as trash, you see it as potential. That shift in perspective is powerful. It teaches us that waste can become a wonder. So, now we talk about bottles and creativity. Now, let's explore world bottle craft. With just a pair of scissors, some paint, and a little imagination, an ordinary bottle can be transformed. Cut a plastic bottle in half, and you have a self watering planter. Add lights inside a glass bottle, and you have a glowing lantern. Paint and decorate, and suddenly it's a flower vase or a pen holder. The possibilities are endless. What's beautiful about bottle craft is that anyone can do them. Kids, adults, beginners, or experienced artists. You don't need expensive tools, just creative and patience. Health benefit. Here's where the story get even more interesting. Crafting isn't just good for the environment. It's good for the mind when you sit down to make something out of a little bottle. But you naturally enter a state of mindfulness. Your attention shifts to the texture of the material, the colors you choose, and the movement of your hands. Stress and distraction begin to fade. Psychologists call this the flow state. When you are fully immersed in and actually your mind relaxes, your heartbeat steadies, and you feel calm. And today's busy world, bottle crafts can be more than a hobby, they can be a simple form of meditation. On a larger scale, bottle recycling and crafting create a ripple effect. I said community and global effects benefits. When families recycling bottles, children learn lifelong values of sustainability. Communities and encourage recycling, reduce pollution, the build cleaner neighborhood. And when crafters share the creations online, or at local markets, they inspire others to see waste as opportunity. So the next time you finish a drink, pause before throwing the little away. Think about this journey. Could it become a planter or even a piece of art? By recycling and crafting, you are not just only helping the planet, you are also nurturing your own creativity and mindfulness. Remember, every bottle has potential. That's up to you to unlock it. Thank you for joining me today. If this inspired you, try a bottle craft this week and see how it feels. You might be surprised at how something so simple can bring so much peace and purpose. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. We are trying to bring that amazing creation for our lovely viewers and subscribers. Have a very nice and good journey. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. We are trying to bring that amazing creation for our lovely viewers and subscribers. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. Take care. We wish you a very, very happy festival, happy holiday. Your craft is your very beautiful power. Keep crafting, keep shining like a star. May your home fulfilled with love, happiness, and prosperity. If you want to leave your comment, if you want to write some opinions about it, so leave your comment in the comment section. Make some beautiful craft, beautiful video, and post on our post. You can post that and you can give me, and we will definitely try to support you. And stay blessed. Have a very nice day. Hello everyone, and again welcome. Today we are diving into the world of very beautiful, magical